Hey everyone, it's Head at All Your Cars. This is our 2011 Jaguar XF SE 2.2 diesel with the automatic gearbox. It's finished in claret red. It rides on the 18-inch Vera alloys. They may be called Vela, not sure. It's in the advert anyway. But wheels and tyres all very good. No marks to any of the wheels, and the tyres are all good. The car is very straight down both sides. No dings or anything to point out. It's been a very well kept thing. Got 10 services with it, I think. Your reg number is there for any checks that you may wish to carry out. It's got the rear parking sensors. It's only done 62,000 miles, so it represents great value for money. Less than £6 for a car like this, I think, is a steal in today's market. It's got the xenon lights, a few stone chips, but nothing that detracts from the overall presentation of the car anyway. It presents lovely. Good size boot on the XFs. All nice and clean, no funny smells or anything, of course. And you've got your floor mats there. Inside it has got the barley colour interior, I think this one's called. Again, it's in the advert. Suede and cloth, leather, all in very nice condition with the Isofix throughout, and the rosewood soft green trim. It's a proper Jag colour combo in my opinion. There's just a bit of silicone from the tyre shine if you see in that. Partial electric front seats. Again, the seats are in really nice condition, really. They are very clean. They look grubby on the camera always, but very clean. Electric windows all round. Cruise control. Auto lights and wipers. Steering wheel is in excellent condition, as are all of the buttons. If you've looked at a few of these Jags, you'll know that these often go sticky. We remove the sticky stuff off them so they're like new, and we do the same in the centre. So as you see, all in very, very, very nice condition. Got your heartbeat start stop button there, look. Let's give her a start. So you can see there's no warnings or anything nasty. 62,084 miles, and other than your fuel, there are no warnings. All your motorised vents work. AM, FM radio. Don't think this one's got DAB, no, just AM and FM. Also got Bluetooth audio, CD player, iPod, USB and auxiliary. Dual climate control, aircon all works well. Oh, start stop also. Cup holders, immediate connectivity, and that is about your lot. A lovely car, as I say, great value for money. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.